First, you want to start with removing the top assembly. Okay, I got the lawnmower all pulled apart and it's ready to be tested. I already did a test to see if I'm getting any spark from the magneto. The magneto and everything is working fine. I checked to see if the flywheel key was broken. The flywheel key was fine. The only other thing to check now is to see if I'm getting any compression. Two ways you can tell if the crankshaft is broken and you're not getting any compression, but yet you're still getting spark from the lawnmower. Not spark from the magneto to the spark plug, so it's not the magneto, but you're not getting any compression whatsoever. And when you try to start it, the blade just spins freely like that, or the blade spins in the opposite direction. It's not supposed to spin in the opposite direction. That's one telltale right there. Another thing you can do is put your finger over the spark plug hole, have somebody give the lawnmower a start, but if you're by yourself, you can just stick something in there like a hanger or something, some kind of wire, and give the flywheel a spin. See, it's spinning. It's spinning, but the piston is not moving back and forth. So that lets me know that we have a broken crankshaft. And those usually can be repaired if you're that mechanically inclined and desperate for fixing it. But this here is an old weed eater. I've had it for, let's see, this is 2018. I had it for a good 8 years, so it's time for it to go. But that's how you can tell if it's the crankshaft.